Hi everyone and welcome to the second quarterfinal of the Solo Sports Quiz, which I'm organizing over the next 2 weekends. In first quarterfinal, we saw Gokul and Manish qualifying directly into the semifinals, and this is quarterfinal 2, where we have Venki Srinivasan, Kinshuk Biswas, Aritra Mustafi, Gigi, who isn't here yet, Srijan Kumar, and Sumuk. Welcome everyone. Just a short rules of the quiz. There are 24 questions, 12 clockwise, 12 anti-clockwise, and 1 point for every correct answer. At the end of the quiz, the top two qualify directly to the semifinals, and the highest three losers from across six quarterfinals will also make it to the semis. So don't lose heart. Keep answering questions as long as you can. And by the looks of it, it looks like Aritro might be the youngest participant here. So in terms of fair play, Aritro, choose a question set. First quarterfinal was done by set 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 to choose from.
I will select set 1.
Set 1. Okay, thank you, Aritra. Appreciate that. So the way the quiz will go is Venki, Kinshuk, Aritra, Gigi, Srijan, and Sumuk. Don't answer out of turn. I will probably identify you after which you should answer. And with all that said and done, just one last thing is 30 seconds per question to the person who is direct. And after that, we'll move quite swiftly to the second and third person. Okay, first question to Venki. Venki, which man credited for the success of runners like Mo Farah and Galen Rupp won the Boston Marathon 3 times in a row between 1980 and 1982? Which man, credited for the success of runners like Mo Farah and Galen Rupp, won the Boston Marathon 3 times in a row between 1980 and 1982? Also, I think I'd mentioned the rules. I would appreciate at least 1 or 2 hands being on the screen in front of the camera so that we can read out Google's. Yeah.
Don't know, I'll just randomly guess Sepco.
Not Sepco. Passing to Kinshuk.
Carlos Lopez.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Carlos Lopez of Portugal.
Not Carlos Lopez. Passing you to Aritra.
Pass.
Pass. Gigi is not here. Srijan.
Kipchoge.
Not right. And Sumuk.
Pass.
So this one was a toughie to start off with, and this is Alberto Salazar. Alberto Salazar had to be taken to the hospital actually after his win in 1982, and he's the one who is basically Mo Farah's coach. Okay, so Venki, question goes back to you. Venki, who took pole position in his Formula One debut at the 1996 Australian Grand Prix? Who took pole position at his Formula One debut at the 1996 Australian Grand Prix? Just by the way, you are muted.
Is it 1996?
Yeah, it is 1996, yes.
Just shut it off.
Okay, I'll guess Rubens Barrichello.
Not Rubens Barrichello, Kinshuk.
Jacques Villeneuve.
Villeneuve is right, and that's the first point of the quiz. Next question to Aritra. Aritra, tell me, who, with 456 runs in total, holds the record for scoring the most runs in one test match? You are muted, by the way, Aritra.
I will guess Zahir Abbas.
Not Zahir Abbas. We're passing you to... Okay, hi Gigi, welcome.
We have a new participant.
Yeah, Gigi, this is your question now, so we'll get you in, no issues. Who, with 456 runs in total, holds the record for scoring the most runs in one test match? Gigi, do you have an answer? Don't hear anything, so we'll pass to Srijan.
Pass.
Sumuk.
So is it Graham Gooch in the 333 match?
Yep, that's right. This is Graham Gooch in the 333 match. Hi, welcome, Gigi. So I will let you are fourth in the sequence. I will let you know whenever it's your turn to answer. Next question is to Venki. Venki, tell me, in tennis, to win a super career Grand Slam, you must have won during your career all 4 Grand Slams, an Olympic gold medal, and the ATP Tour World Championship. Who is the only man to so far achieve the super career Grand Slam?
Come again. You said okay. Just repeat the question.
In tennis, to win a super career Grand Slam, you must have won during your career all 4 Grand Slams, an Olympic gold medal, and the ATP Tour World Championship. Who is the only man to date to achieve this?
Singles, right?
Yes, we're talking about singles here.
Rafael Nadal.
Not Nadal. Passing to Kingshuk,
What did he answer? What did he answer?
Rafael Nadal.
Okay. I'll go with Andre Agassi.
That's absolutely right. It is Andre Agassi, which is the right answer. Next question to Arithro. Arithro, tell me, which boxer won the Olympic heavyweight gold medal in 1992, 1996, and 2000?
Laszlo Papp.
Not right. Gigi.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yep. Please go ahead.
Felix Savon.
I'm sorry?
Felix Savon.
Felix Savon is right, and that's an excellent answer. You get on the board. Good answer there. Next question to Srijan. Srijan, who did Lewis Hamilton overtake on the final bend of the 2008 Brazilian Grand Prix to take the driver's title by 1 point?
Timo Glock.
Yep, that's right. You didn't let me finish the question. Also, he did overtake Timo Glock and helped him overtake Felipe Massa and win the title. Good answer. Next question is also a Formula One question, and this is for Sumuk. Sumuk, who currently holds the record for the most race starts at 322? Most race starts with 322. You're on mute.
Yeah, sorry. Is it Barrichello, Rubens Barrichello?
That's right, it is Rubens Barrichello, and I think that's the end of the Formula One questions, by the way, no worries. Next question is to Venki. Venki, in which non-test playing nation was 2005 Ashes wicketkeeper Geraint Jones born? He went on to play international cricket T20s and ODIs for this country.
Papua New Guinea.
Yep, that's right, Papua New Guinea it is. Next question to Kingshuk. Kingshuk, the youngest person to play 200 games for Manchester United is also the youngest player at a men's football World Cup. Name him.
200 games of Manchester United and also the youngest at a men's World Cup. Whitehead.
Not right. Passing to Arithro.
Wayne Rooney.
Not Rooney. Gigi.
Pass.
Srijan.
Bobby Charlton.
Not right. Sumuk.
So that was my guess. I'll pass. Yeah.
Venki.
Okay. Lukaku.
Not right. And Kingshuk said Whitehead, but it's actually Norman Whiteside, not Whitehead. Hard luck. Next question goes back to Kingshuk. Next question goes back to Kingshuk again. Kingshuk, in which sport do participants stamp their feet and clap their hands to ward off evil spirits before a competition?
Sumo wrestling.
Yep, that's right. Next question to Arithro. Arithro, tell me, which South American country till date are the only country footballing nation from the continent never to qualify for the Men's Football World Cup? And we're talking about mainland South America. Which country from the mainland South American continent is the only one to never qualify for the Men's World Cup?
Guyana.
Not Guyana. Gigi.
Venezuela.
Absolutely right. Good answer there. Venezuela it is. Next question is to Srijan. Srijan, which female tennis player won the Wimbledon singles title 5 times between 2000 and 2008?
Single
Which title?
digit.
I'm sorry, Srijan.
Sharapova.
No, I don't think that's right. Sumuk.
Venus Williams.
Absolutely right, Sumuk. It is indeed Venus Williams. Next question to Venki. Venki, Sunderland's, that's the last question of question 12. So from Sumuk, we'll go back to Srijan. Srijan, Sunderland Stadium is called the Stadium of Light. Which other European club, which has won over 80 titles and is its country's most successful team, also plays in a stadium whose name translates to Stadium of Light in English? Question is for Srijan.
Could you repeat it, please?
Yeah. Sunderland Stadium is called the Stadium of Light. Which other European club, which has won over 80 titles and is its country's most successful team, also plays in a stadium whose name translates to Stadium of Light in English?
Benfica.
And do you know what the stadium is called?
Stadio de Luz.
Oh no.
Yeah, Benfica is right though. It is the Estadio de Luz. Good answer there, Srijan. Next question to Gigi. Gigi, tell me, what was the mascot of the 1998 Football World Cup in France?
Is it Fortix?
Fortix, you're absolutely right. Great answer there. Next question is for, after Gigi's, Arithro. The Calcutta Cup is a sporting trophy contested between which two countries?
England and Scotland.
Absolutely right, Arithro. You're on the mark, on the board as well. Next question is for Kinshuk. Kinshuk, with 16 constructors' titles, Ferrari is the most successful team in F1 history. Which team is second with 9 wins?
McLaren.
Not McLaren. Venki.
Lotus.
Not Lotus. Sumuk.
Honda. No idea. Honda.
Not Honda. Srijan.
Williams.
Williams is absolutely right. You get one more point there. Next question is for Gigi. Gigi, in Slumdog Millionaire, Jamal gives the correct answer to the question, which cricketer has scored the most first-class centuries in history? What was the correct answer?
Can you repeat, please?
In Slumdog Millionaire, Jamal gives the correct answer to the question, which cricketer has scored the most first-class centuries in history? What was the correct answer?
Is it Wilfred Rhodes?
Wilfred Rhodes, no, not right. Passing you to Arithra.
Jack Hobbs.
Jack Hobbs is right, Arithra. Good answer there. Next question is for Kinshuk. Kinshuk, tell me, which circuit hosted the first World Championship Formula One Grand Prix on 13th May 1950? Is the luck of the draw. A lot of Formula One questions in this set. Can't help it. So sorry, but that's the question in this. Which circuit hosted the first World Championship Formula One Grand Prix on 13th May 1950?
Okay, I'll say Monza.
Not Monza. Venki.
Yet another Formula One question, but this one I think I know. Silverstone in UK.
Silverstone is right, Venki. That takes you to 2 points. Next question now for Sumuk. Sumuk, tell me. Occurring over 2 consecutive World Cup tournaments, which footballer was the first player to receive 2 red cards in total?
Zidane.
Not Zidane, Srijan.
Sergio Ramos.
Not Sergio Ramos. Gigi?
The Rigoberto Song
Absolutely right. And do you know which country he's from?
from Cameroon.
Yeah, perfect answer. Well done. And you've taken the lead here despite not finding the time to answer the first few questions. Next question to Aritro. Still a fair number of questions to go. Aritro, tell me, which bowler was named player of the match in the 2017 Women's World Cup final with bowling figures of 6 for 46?
Julian Goswami.
Not Julian Goswami, Kinshuk.
You said 2017 final, right?
Women's World Cup final, yes.
Shrubsole, Anya Shrubsole.
That's right, Anya Shrubsole it is. Next question to Venki. Venki, which Indian athlete reached the semi-finals of the women's 400-meter event at the Sydney Olympic Games?
400. Sydney 2000.
Which Indian athlete reached the semi-finals of the women's 400-meter event at the Sydney Olympic Games?
Sydney. Binamol.
Absolutely right, KN Binamol it is. Nice crack there. And the next question goes to Sumuk. Sumuk, tell me, from 2004 to 2020, Billy Cooper followed the English cricket team around the world in what capacity? Billy Cooper.
What name?
Billy, B-I-L-L-Y, Cooper.
So I'm gonna guess he was the media coach, or basically how to handle media.
Not the media coach, Srijan.
Could you repeat the question? Billy Cooper in which capacity?
I'll repeat the question.
Which team?
I'll repeat the question, no problem. From 2004 to 2020, Billy Cooper followed the English cricket team around the world in what capacity?
Social media head.
No, I don't think that's right. Gigi.
Is it some kind of
Hello?
spiritual healer, something like that?
Not spiritual healer. Aritro.
Pass.
Pass. Kinshuk. Mathews. No. Venki.
Somebody already said social media and stuff like that, right?
Something like that, yeah. Media something, yeah.
I'll say video analyst.
Not video analyst, so that comes back to me. He is basically the chief trumpeter of the Barmy Army, who retired after 16 years serving as the Barmy Army's chief trumpeter. Next question to Sumuk once again. Sumuk, tell me. Philip Noel Baker, who won a Nobel Prize in Chemistry, also won a silver medal at the 1924 Olympics in which event?
1924.
Yes. But the question is which event?
Yeah. Random guess. Fencing.
Not fencing. Srijan.
Is it me?
Yeah, it's to you.
Pass.
Gigi.
It's 1,500 meter.
Absolutely right, Gigi. This is the 1500 meter. Well done. And before the last question comes, just want to let you know what the scores are so far. Venki on 3, Kinshuk on 4, Aditya on 2, Gigi on 5, Srijan on 3, and Sumuk on 3. Once again, the top 2 qualify to the finals, semi-finals, sorry, but the highest scores losers can also make it to the semis. Last question coming up to Aritro. Aritro, in which sport are the following national titles awarded? Rustam-e-Hind, Bharat Bhushan, and Hind Kesari.
Kabaddi.
Not Kabaddi, Kingshuk.
Wrestling.
Wrestling is right, or Kushti, which is what we know as, and qualifying from the quiz directly to the semi-finals are Kingshuk and Gigi. Well done, with 5 points each. Venki, Srijan, and Sumukh get 3, and Aritro has got 2. Thanks a lot, guys, for participating in the quiz.
Just what was the score? What was the score in the first one? The non-finalist, non-qualifying.
There was 4, 2, 2, and 0 in the first.
Yeah, 4.
Okay, so thanks a lot, guys, for participating. Hope you guys enjoyed the quiz, and hope to see you as audience in the rest of the quarterfinals.